Now, because I have indeed been suffering from a back injury, I've not been able to edit or produce videos as much as I would like to. But this week, I'm so happy that our lovely person from Omoton has reached out with this real nice laptop stand. Check this out. Let me introduce you guys to the Omoton La04. It's an adjustable desk stand for use with your personal computer. For me, it's going to be for use with our crappy laptop. Trust me guys, if you've ever had an EVGA SC15, just stay away because it is dire. I wish I would have never bought it. £1,000. Ugh. Yeah, not only does it get super hot, but it just scalded my legs after using it for around about an hour. And this is where the Omoton stand comes in handy. This stand is super strong and sturdy with that aluminium alloy design. It is fully adjustable, fully rotatable. Looking at me, I say, very sweet, with those polished oxidized surfaces. Once your laptop's placed on top, the hooks at the bottom will grip nice and firm onto the bottom of your laptop. It won't slide off whatsoever, and it's fully protected thanks to those silicone pads. So now I can sit more comfortably without the pain shooting down the right side of my back. It's been quite good to use it over the past couple of days. And by the way, it is real sturdy on flat surfaces thanks to those silicone feet to the bottom. Yes, it's not something I would usually review on this channel, but I guess I'm just feeling quite thankful that I have some companies looking out for me, and again, I'm really appreciative that Omoton has indeed sent this to us. Now, if this company does interest you, I have left a handy little link in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any type of way, but if you like what you've seen, well, why not go get yours? Most importantly guys, please go ahead and like this video, because the more likes we get, the more this channel can grow. Not only that, I'd very much appreciate it if you please subscribe to the channel right now. All the support again is very much needed, bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option, so you guys stay updated on all our future tech reviews, yes. Now we're going to get back to what we used to real soon, throwing out tech review after tech review. But in the meantime, why not check one of these old reviews on screen just now? Thank you very much.